Have you ever needed more info on a transaction showing in a statement? Perhaps it's a payment received and you'd like to know who sent it. In this video, we'll take you through a new way that you can request this information directly in Bankline. It's simple to do, and you can get on with your day while we look into your request and reply. We've added a new button to the account statement, allowing you to request more details on a transaction in just a few clicks. Let's give it a try. When you start a request, all the details are automatically pulled through from the statement, and you can select the most relevant option. For example, on incoming backs and faster payments, I need a copy of the remitter's sort code and account number. Or you can always choose I have a different query and use the free text box to tell us about your request. Once you've chosen what information you need, click Submit. You'll be given a reference starting with BL. We'll send email notifications to your registered Bankline email address, so it's worth checking with your Bankline administrator that this is up to date. If you submit a request during our working hours, we'll have it back to you within 24 hours. Requests submitted outside of working hours will be picked up the next working day. If you'd rather speak with an agent or use Cora to raise a query, after clicking Request More Details, click the Chat Now button. We'll let you know by email when we've responded to your request. You can find our answer in Bankline. Just go to the Account Servicing tab, then Transaction Information Requests, and click on the request number. In Bankline, you'll see the Request More Details button on many transaction types. For example, on international and CHAPS payments, you'll be able to request a copy of a SWIFT message or breakdown of charges. For checks, you'll be able to query if the amount credited differs from what you deposited, and request a list of individual check amounts within a grouped credit. For more help with Bankline, click Support when you're logged in, or start a chat with Cora anytime.